This is actually an amp from the early 2000s. You can still get new, at least at Woofers, etc. They have the last remaining stock of them, and for the price they want, you're not going to find a better design or better quality parts. Let's look at some of that right now. I mean, you've got high-end Sanken transistors, ceramic resistors, you know, fan-cooled, giant power supply for a 2x100. You know, really nice RCAs. Really good layout. So anyways, I thought I'd throw this out there just because I noticed these were for sale. I had one in the back room. I was actually just putting in new capacitors, new Nichcon KW golds on the input side and also on the rails. Thought people might be overlooking these because it's like, you know, what do these sound like? What do they do? I mean, they're huge. You know, here's a Galaxy S8. You know, you put that thing up there, you can kind of get a idea how big it really is. You know, it's probably like a foot by 8 or 9. You know, only a couple inches deep, but it's a full-size AB amp. They use a tightly regulated power supply that does the same power into any impedance. It's kind of a similar design to the JL Slash amps, actually. You know, a pair of these would be more powerful than a 300/4. On the birth sheet, these usually do about 120 watts per channel. You know, like 0.01 THD, something like that, and then they ramp up a little bit more by the time they get to 0.1%. Sound quality on them is really good, though. I mean, they sound real similar to a lot of the better Phoenix Gold amps. You know, trying to think of what that's comparable to nowadays. You know, maybe a JL Slash. You know, just to bring that up again. They're not quite as dynamic as some of the older ones with the unregulated power supplies like the ZX and especially the ZPA, which if any of you guys watching this are into Phoenix Gold, you know what I mean. The ZPAs are probably the best amps they ever made. But this, you know, for $100, if somebody's, you know, putting together a low-cost system, you get one of these to run your subwoofer and another one to run your components. You're spending, you know, a couple $100 and you have, you know, really a high level amplifier. You know, if we look inside other amps you can get for, you know, this price, you are not going to find stuff like this. No way. So anyways, thought I'd throw that out there in case some of you are looking for a low cost amplifier that's, you know, not beat to hell on the used market but has quality and internals. As long as Woofers etc. has these in stock, it's kind of a best value right now.